edX Professional Programs Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people assume high-quality professional education comes with a massive price tag, but the surprising truth is that it offers flexible, affordable options designed for skill building and career advancement. edX professional programs are curated bundles of courses offered in partnership with top universities and organizations. Pricing typically ranges from $200–500 depending on the program and length. Unlike one-off courses, these programs provide a structured curriculum, certificates, and sometimes even eligibility to earn university credits. For example, a project management professional could enroll in a 200 professional certificate program from a top university, completing 4 to 6 courses over a few months. The program includes hands-on assignments, quizzes, and a verified certificate upon completion, giving you skills that are immediately applicable in the workplace. Payment plans are often available to spread the cost over time, making it more accessible than traditional in-person programs. In conclusion, edX professional programs offer excellent value by combining academic credibility, flexible online learning, and practical skill development. Whether you're looking to pivot careers or enhance your expertise, the transparent pricing ensures you know exactly what you're paying for and what you'll get in return.